Assalamu alaikum, class 6. Students, today we read our new chapter Sound, unit number 10, page number 96. Sound is a form of energy. Sound is a kind of energy. Sound can be louder and it can be slower. Sound travel in a waves. Sound waves can travel in a waves. Some sounds are pleasant and some sounds are irritate our ears. Okay, the first topic is what is sound. Sound is a kind of energy. When an object vibrates, the air around it vibrate. The vibration travel in the air as sound waves. When an object vibrate, जब कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट वाइब्रेट होती है, उस ऑब्जेक्ट वाइब्रेट कैसे होगी कि उसमें जो एटम्स प्रेजेंट होंगे ऑब्जेक्ट में, वो जब वाइब्रेट होंगे एटम्स में आपस में वाइब्रेशन होगी, देन साउंड प्रोड्यूस होगी. साउंड वेव्स मूव करती हैं साउंड एनर्जी के थ्रू फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस. ऑल मूविंग थिंग्स क्रिएट साउंड. अ जेट इंजन मेक अ लाउड साउंड. सम साउंड्स आर लाउड एंड सम साउंड्स आर स्लो. Then what is oscillation? Oscillation, the backward and forward motion of an object with regular interval of time is called oscillation. Here is the example of pendulum. The pendulum of a clock move backward and then forward. This type of movement is called oscillation. And the time period taking for one complete oscillation is called period. And the number of oscillation, जब पेंडुलम अपना नंबर ऑफ ऑसिलेशन कंप्लीट करेगा 1 सेकेंड में, is called frequency of the oscillation. Simple pendulum can be made by hanging a bob on a length of string. When the bob is pulled and release, जब हम उसको पुल करेंगे and then we release it begin to oscillate. The distance that bob travel from central position, this is the center of the bob, central position to the extreme position. Central position to the extreme position is called amplitude. Okay. Oscillation can be used to make waves. Here is an example. If one end of a rope is tied to a fixed object and the other is moved from side to side, then these waves travel through these ropes. This waves is called transfer waves. If you fix a spring at one end and keep moving the other end backward and forward, you will see wave traveling through along this spring. These waves is called longitudinal waves. There is 2 type of waves, longitudinal waves and transfer waves. Waves that travel in the same direction as the oscillation are called longitudinal waves, and the waves that travel perpendicular to the direction of the oscillation are called transfer waves. Now the next topic is sound waves. As you read in previous lecture, sound waves vibrate. The vibration travel in the air as sound waves. The sound wave move sound energy from place to place. Sound waves are caused by vibration. When the object is vibrate, sound is produced. Here is an example of guitar. When you plug the string of guitar, that make a musical sound. And the movement of guitar is oscillate backward and forward. The vibration causes sound waves to travel through air to your ears, and then your ears detect the sound and we are able to hear. Next topic is how is sound produced. Now the next topic is how is sound produced. As you all know, when the object is vibrate, it make a sound, and when a body vibrate, it move to and fro. Its forward movement presses the air in front of it. It is called compression. And when the body move backward, the layer of air stretch. This is called rarefaction. And if the process is continuous compression and refraction, backward and forward movement produced by oscillation makes sound waves. Sound waves are longitudinal waves. Longitudinal waves, the waves which travel in a same direction as the oscillation. When the diaphragm of a loudspeaker can vibrate, it moves in and out very fast. The compression and rarefaction travel through the air as waves, and when these rays reach your ear, they make your eardrum vibrate and you hear a sound. जब ये waves हमारे ears तक पहुँचती हैं तो ये हमारे ear drums को vibrate करती हैं. ये sound waves हमारे ear drum को vibrate करती हैं. Through this we can able to hear. Speed of sound in solid, liquid and gases. Sound travel at a speed of 330 meter per second. Sound is the speed of sound is slower than the speed of light. That is why during thunderstorm, the flash of lightning you can see the flash of lightning before the clap of thunder. It's mean light travel faster than sound. Speed of sound depend on temperature of the air. Sound waves travel faster in hot air than in the cold air. The speed of sound is not affected by air pressure. The speed of sound cannot rise up as the air pressure change. जब एयर प्रेशर चेंज होगा तो उसका साउंड वेव्स पर कोई असर नहीं होगा. साउंड हमेशा ट्रैवल करती है थ्रू अ मीडियम. इट कैन बी सॉलिड, इट कैन बी लिक्विड एंड इट कैन बी गैस. साउंड कैन नॉट ट्रैवल इन थ्रू वैक्यूम. साउंड ट्रैवल कर सकती है डोर्स में, वॉल्स के ज़रिए, फ्लोर्स. लिक्विड में एग्जांपल है वाटर एंड गैस में एग्जांपल है थ्रू एयर. साउंड को ट्रैवल करने के लिए मीडियम की ज़रूरत होगी. मीडियम में कोई भी आ जाएगा, सॉलिड, लिक्विड, गैस, बट साउंड कैन नॉट ट्रैवल थ्रू द वैक्यूम. एम्प्टी स्पेस, वैक्यूम में साउंड ट्रैवल नहीं कर सकती, जैसे स्पेस में साउंड ट्रैवल नहीं करती. इसी वजह से अगर स्पेस में कोई एक्सप्लोजन वगैरह होते हैं तो उसकी आवाज़ हमें अर्थ तक नहीं आती, बिकॉज देयर इज़ नथिंग इन स्पेस में वैक्यूम प्रेजेंट है. दैट इज़ वाई साउंड कैन नॉट ट्रैवल in space. Here is the example of sound waves in a vacuum. There is an experiment on page number 99. Lower a clock in a bell jar, filter to an exhaust pump. Then close the mouth of the jar with tight fitting cork. अगर हम एक जार लें और उसमें हम एक जार में हम बेल रख दें और फिर उसको हम ऊपर से टाइट क्लोज कर दें कॉर्क से. सिंस द फ्लास्क हैज़ एयर इन इट, और इस फ्लास्क में एयर प्रेजेंट है, एंड व्हेन वी रिमूव, अगर इसमें एयर प्रेजेंट है, सो यू विल हेयर द क्लॉक टिकिंग. बट इफ़ वी रिमूव द एयर, the clock is still ticking. but we cannot hear. So this experiment showed that sound travel through a medium, sound cannot travel through vacuum.